Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police activity. I'll link the full video below if you want to watch it start to finish. What starts as officers trying to make an arrest suddenly turns into a second man stepping in, escalating everything, refusing to back off, showing a gun at his waist, and within seconds, pointing it directly at officers, forcing a split-second decision. The breakdown starts now.
Let's just step on this side.
No, just hold on. I'm not gonna see this. I promise I'm not gonna see this.
Hey, Steve, call somebody, bro. Call my girl. Yeah, he just said get it to me.
Hey.
He just said to get it to me. Why are you talking my for it?
Are you?
Hey, brother, calm down, bro.
Dang, he told me to get it.
Okay.
Brother, calm down. Calm down, brother.
Here, I'm just going to I just put it at fair.
Watch this. A bystander is about to step into an active arrest and start confronting officers. This matters because any outside interference can instantly shift control and escalate the situation.
Fuck y'all doing? Come on now, tell them, big bro. I ain't doing shit, nigga.
Fuck y'all doing in my neighborhood?
Got a warrant. We're taking him around.
Ain't got no warrant. Ain't no fucking police, nigga. Ain't no police, bitch ass nigga.
Come on.
It's okay.
Get on this nigga,
Ain't no fucking police, nigga.
Relax.
I said so, the fucking royal. Now tell me something, nigga.
You need to back up and
I
take
need to
it
do
out.
what?
back up, nigga.
I need to do what? I'm cuffing right here.
Watch his hands. He's about to reach toward his waistband. This is critical because any sudden movement there can be perceived as a deadly threat in an instant.
They just trying to get there. Nigga, we finna go what? We going now. Let him roll up here, nigga. I got you right
Got
there.
a gun.
Hey.
Hey.
I got you right there.
Shoulder, bro. My shoulder.
I got 25.
Pay attention to the officer's tone. They're about to issue urgent commands. This matters because at this point they're treating this as a potential deadly threat, and any hesitation can change the outcome instantly.
Commands. Get your hands up or I'll shoot! Hands up or I'll shoot! Get your hands up or I'll shoot you in the head! Hands up or I'll shoot you in the head! Hands up! Get your hands up! Drop your hands up or I'll shoot you in the head! Get out! Get down! Get down! Put your hands up and get on the ground!
Watch closely. He's about to make a sudden move that ends this standoff. This matters because in a split second, that decision can force an immediate, irreversible response.
Put your hands up and get on the ground! Put your hands up and get on the ground! Fuck! Charlie 11 Adam, can somebody put it out?
Look at the officers here. They're about to move in on him while he's down to secure the scene. This matters because they still have to treat it as a potential threat until they know it's safe.
We have medics code 3? Should we do it? I got the shooter one. Anyone got shears? Shears? I got no shears.
Bluford was transported by emergency crews to a nearby hospital in critical condition after the shooting. Despite immediate medical attention and continued efforts by hospital staff, he was later pronounced dead. Public records and reporting indicate he had a prior criminal history involving violent offenses, including a conviction in a serious case from earlier in his life. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.